The devastation is unbelievable. It's nice for Copart as a team to come in, and what we're doing is we're helping the community get back on their feet.
Our goal always is to get in as early as we can, and our team has heeded the call.
We've had our teams here since the storm, and we're the first company open.
Our trucks are rolling today. Our CAT team is on the ground. We've moved in 25 additional loaders.
We've brought in our mobile command center. We've brought in towing companies from all across the country.
The team's working hard, everybody's fully engaged, and we're going to get it done. Turned out to be arguably the biggest event we've ever had in the history of the company.
Copart's execution in these storms is second to none. Teams are motivated, morale's high.
And it's typical of Copart.